So with the monthly time frame drawing to a close on Friday this week, we've got some really interesting setups to take a look at. We'll jump straight in with Euro JPY. We can see there's not too much here. We've got a nice ascending trend line that we've got. This thick orange line that we've got here actually represents a neckline for a potential double bottom that is visible within the month view. So what we are looking for here, quite simply, is to see that this candle in the month view can close above this neckline. A close above this neckline indicates that we've got a break of this double bottom and that the bulls are likely to show up. However, we've also got this established ascending trend line that dates back to 2012 that we still need to see take out. We've already seen a rejection of this with a pin bar last month, so we do need to see that this level's taken out. And then we've got another descending trend line which dates back even further, sat just above that. So in the 4-hour view, if we do see a break of this steady climb, that brings us back down to this channel top. Now this channel top is a day view channel, which is nice and visible. We've been talking about this channel for quite literally now months. We've taken the trade on here. We took a 900 pip bump up from just down here. We've still got longs on this trade from the 14th of May, which we've carried up, held through this pullback, and looking to continue to ride this to the upside. As I say, we do need to see that this trend line is going to be taken out probably around the 125 level. If we can get past this level and confirm a break. Now we need to see a monthly close above this level to confirm that this level is taken out, as it is a monthly level. But I will be looking to see if we can get some more longs on after a pullback of this position. We just need to make sure that if we do see a pullback this week, it doesn't break this orange level. And if we see a pullback the week after that, so the monthly close is above, then we need to make sure that we can get some nice entries on this channel top. It could make way for some nice longs over the coming months. If we just take a quick look at orders doesn't look like there's anything particularly special going on with it. But what I do find extremely interesting with this pair is we saw a major sell-off on this pair in March. We saw a really big drop. We have then rapidly regained all of that momentum. So we've then pulled straight back. If we look at where our levels of relevance are, we've got this level sat just here. Now this is in the week view. And we can see that we've actually closed above this level with a pullback as well to the 200 EMA. So I want to see that this 200 EMA doesn't bear too much relevance in terms of seeing a reversal back down. And next week I want to see if we can get a nice pullback to make way for some entries, potentially long on here. MACD is looking good for this as well. We can see that we've got the market siding with the bulls at the moment. We've broken this level. We've come back strong after this major sell-off. So now we just need to make sure that this level here remains intact, the 703 level, and we want to see that this 200 EMA can actually be taken out. Remember, this is week view analysis. So over the course of next week, we will be getting into some lower time frames and seeing if we can make way for some long swings to the upside. Now, Euro USD, this pair's been very kind to us over the past months. We can see that we've broken, much like Euro JPY, we've taken a break out of this phenomenal descending channel just here. Targets for this channel, if we are going to see them, lie up here with our 1618 of the channel break. So we've actually taken the one level fib out. Tel's already in this trade and has already taken some profits on this. We need to now see that we can take out this monthly descending trend line. So this is a very established trend line that we have got here. If this channel break is a genuine channel break, which it certainly appears to be so, then we would expect to see this price close above our trend line. Now this could make way for a major reversal on the Euro USD, and we can see that our 1618 actually sits smack bang on this level of support and resistance that has been prominent and has been there since the pair's data begun. This is a key level within the pair. If we can break this level and we can get a pullback to the trend line, we could be seeing that we're going to make way for some really nice long positions. We can see the bullish strength that this pair has seen over this month. We've seen nothing but upside action. So I am looking to see that we can take this trend line out. If we can get another rally over the course of next week, which makes way for a break of this level, then that could make way for some really, really nice moves over the coming months. So CHFJPY, we've obviously been trading this pair now for a few weeks. We can see that we've taken trades here. We've had this has been covered in the vault, same as Euro JPY, in depth with great explanations. We took trades on this bearish engulfing candle using the TP engulfing strategy, a very simple strategy just involving the use of 2 Fibonacci's to get your entries, your stop loss, and your take profit. Worked very, very effectively, worked beautifully on this trade here. We can then see that we've moved into this very, very clean descending channel. And last week we said to TP students that we weren't looking to sell at this channel top. If we wanted to ride it down, we were still holding shorts from back here, but we were actually looking to see that we were going to break above, pull back, take the trade, and then ride it long. Now, initially we were stopped out of the trade on Monday afternoon as we took an entry on the break of the channel with a pullback to not only the channel top, but also this level of support, which, as we can see, is a well-established level in this time frame. So we're in the 4-hour view. We got stopped out as we pulled back about 8 hours later. We had another order ready to go in case we wanted to see a stop hunt, because this pair does give, it's got a history of stop hunts when we see the momentum change. So we had another order in place. The pair was kind enough to pull back, give us our entry, and then ride up. Targets for this were sat just up here. So the 1618 of this channel break sat just at the top of this channel, and our 1 level fib was sat just here. So we can see profits have already been secured. The rest of it is running risk-free. What I do find interesting about this is if we look, we've obviously got our channel bottom. Now our channels can be decided and confirmed by the use of the channel center, which again we explain to TP students. However, this trend line, if we follow this orange trend line, we can see that we've actually got a break, and it appears that we've had a pullback to this level. So I'm very interested to see whether we can see a rejection. Our MACD still looks as if we've got some bullish force there, but it certainly looks as if we are starting to turn down. Now, if we move into the day view and take another look slightly further up, we can actually see targets for this continuation have now been matched at this peak. And we can also see that our MACD, even though we are seeing a higher high, our MACD across both components, our histo and our MA lines, has started to turn down. Now, this could signify that we are going to see a change in momentum and a move to the downside. We've had these 2 pin bars in the last 2 days of last week. So Thursday, Friday gave us 2 pin bars. Don't really care that it's a hammer up. What I'm interested in is the trend that it's sat within. This candle is showing me that we are potentially seeing exhaustion in this pair. So we may see one further push just to literally take another exhaustion rally up to the top of this trend line. I will want to see in the lower time frames that this does not consist of too many impulses to the upside. We could then potentially make way for some shorts to ride this pair back down. We've got a bunch of other setups that we're going to be looking at. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, be sure to do that. If you don't follow us on Instagram, be sure to follow us on Instagram. If you want to get more involved in this and really learn how to find setups like this for yourself, all you need to do is jump on the Join TP page, click subscribe, and we can get you set up with access to the vault straight away. There's plenty of different strategies in there, all that work very, very effectively, very efficiently, nice and simple. We are pattern swing traders. Get involved today and see a difference in your trading tomorrow.